Hi, I hope you are doing really well and welcome to another new video. And today's our topic is how to add products on Wix store. So as you can see, we already have a Wix store or Wix website. So in here we already add some products. As you can see, we already have some dummy products. So right now we need to be add another products for you. So let's go to the admin panel. As you can see, this is our admin panel, and here we have lots of options. Like you can see that we have various options. So in here in the right corner of the top, you can see add elements. You need to click here. Once you click here, you have the option for the search. So here you need to be click and you will need get the access to search. In the right corner you will find out the search box. In here you need to be write something like shop, and you will find out some suggestion where you will get option Wix store. You need to click on here. When you click here, you will have the access to add. Right now we already installed Wix store. It is mandatory and it is the main thing you need in this Wix store to add a new product. So when you are new in Wix shop, you will have the access to install it. So in here it will be like add a store. So right now we already installed. So again we will be click here for the sample. As you can see, our Wix store has been installed in our store. Right now you can see it is working or it is on the process, so we need to be wait furthermore. So right now our work has been completed. Right now you can see we already have a Wix store, and right now we have the option to add our first product. Then we have an option define shipping regions, and furthermore option we already have. You can research on it. So right now we need to be go on our design box, and we will find out two options. That one is quick edit, and after that we have another option that's manage product. So we need to click on this spot that is manage product. Just click here. Once you click here, they will redirect to you, or a pop-up box will become up to you. That will be dashboard. In here you can see we have 12 products and we need to be add on more. So we need to be click on new product. Just click on new product and you have the option, is it digital file or is it physical product. So we are going to add a physical product, so we will be click on physical product. So once you click on physical product, it will load and it will come to you the next step. So you can see we have all further option to set up our new product. So in here you can see that we have title option. So in here you can give a name of your product like whatever you want. So my product is a shoe, so I will paste my product name, that is Bataman Florida Man Sandal Slipper. And second we have image and video option. So we have the image, so I will add the image. So let's click on the add image option and it will give you the option to add image. So you can see we already open another pop-up for add our file. So just click on upload media and upload from computer. Just click here. Once you click here, you have the option to add a new image. Just click on the image. This is our desired file, so we are already uploaded it here. And right now you can see our product picture has been uploaded. So just click on add to page, and then you have description option. As make it SEO friendly, you need the description and it is a must be work done. So third one is pricing. So our shoe price will be $20. So I will type here 20. So right now you can see we don't have any sale right now, so we don't enable it. So price per unit, so we don't need. You can see let's customers see price based on fixed measurement unit. So I don't want to be see the measurement or other kind of things. It is a sample video for you. So you will find out more further option for you. I hope so it will be helpful for you. Right now I don't want to use this option. There is another amazing option, that is pre-order, but right now I don't want to. And also a subscription option, it's enough for me. Just I already completed simple task for me. And also in here you will find out more options. Just research on it and you will find out that are really amazing for your business. So just click on the save in the right corner. In here when you click on the save, the product has been published on your story, and you can see it in your Wix store. Just click on the option and then click on the corner, and you can see your Wix store. You will find out that your product has been added to your store. The process is really easy. Just follow the step one by one and you will find out the video is really helpful for you. So today our video will be end here. I hope you will find out the video is helpful for you. Just click the like button and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.